Today we're back with another video, not just any video, the first Pokemon opening video. We have 7 Crimson Haze in this tin with 2 Phantasmal Flames, a Mega Evolution, and a Journey together. So let's get opening. That Greninja though, oh, that Greninja. If I pull it, wraps. One to the front. Let's see. Ooh, nice hollow. One to the front. Nothing. Nothing. 4 more. One to the front. A Pokeball. A monkey. Ooh! Look at that EX. No, that's a nice card. Let me see. We'll put that back there. Ooh, okay. We're getting somewhere. One to the front. Let's get it. Let's get it. Sorry if I'm not talking much. I don't know the names of all the Pokemons and trainers. Look at this SR. Oh, wow. Let's put that in a sleeve. The Crimson Haze set just has such beautiful cards. Like, beautiful. I opened up so many White Flare too the other day. Beautiful. Let me put this one. 2 more packs. Move one to the front. Y'all know the drill. Little Trainer Campus. Little Monkey. Noodles. Froakie. Leafeon. Last pack of Crimson Haze, and then we're going to get into this. One to the front. Ooh, I saw some shine. Might just be a hollow. We'll see. Let's not get too excited. We did put an SR. Yep, it is a hollow. Cool. 2 pretty cool hollows. An EX and a SR. Look at that trainer. Now let's get into this. If y'all like this content, please let me know down in the comments. I will definitely do more Pokemon